In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your audio sound better in OBS. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, make sure you have a microphone source and that it is properly detected and set up. After you ensure that your device is set up and detected within OBS, make sure you also have the audio mixer dock. So go to Docs and enable audio mixer if you cannot find it. What you have to do is click on the three dots or the gear icon next to your microphone on the audio mixer to access the settings. Go into the filters option from the drop-down menu, and the filters I recommend you use are in order, noise gate, click OK, and then you add compressor, click OK again if needed, and lastly, add a limiter. The only setting I recommend you to change after adding the audio filters is the ratio for the compressor. I recommend using 6:1 on the ratio, and you can leave the rest on default. Most of these will make it so your microphone doesn't catch loud, unnecessary noises and focuses on your voice. It also ensures that your voice is crisp and also compressed so everything comes down at the same audio level and there aren't big peaks or really low lows. After you add the filters, you can close this window and try out your new mic. If you still feel like there's room for improvement, open up the control panel on your computer and click on Sound. In the recording devices, what you have to do is access the properties for your microphone. Within the properties, select the last option on the Properties tab, and within the Advanced tab, make sure that the default format is set to the maximum available, which is usually DVD quality for most microphones. I hope I was able to help you on how to make your audio sound better in OBS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.